So hi guys, I'm here now at Yo Hollywood Roosevelt Hotel. So ayan, so I'm gonna show you the lobby. So I'm here now to update my card there. See, at the receptionist, and I'm gonna show you how it looks like. So see, so they have the entrance and may duyan-duyan siya like this. Then nice. So, ayan, may mga waiting. So, let's go! So, meron silang... So, guys, we're going to check the swimming pool. So, ayan, yung mga shop nila. So, ayan. So, meron din silang ano dito, salon. So, guys, punta tayo sa taas. Then, ayan, kung gusto mong bumili ng drinks. So, ito yung salon nila. And then, ayan yung mini store. So, ayan yung mini store nila, guys. So, ayan. Mamaya, bibili tayo ng food. So, let's go up. Check natin ngayon yung swimming pool nila. So, ayan. Akyat tayo. Ayan yung elevator. And then we go to the swimming pool. Let's go. So here's the swimming pool. Gym room in the 3rd floor pala siya. So let's see and check. So I'm sorry, I lost my connection. And then here's the silipin natin, guys. So ito pala yung parang function room nila. So ayan oh. Ayan yung function room nila. So, I'm not sure if we can push. Ay, oo, pwede. So, ayan yung function room nila, guys. Nice. So, let's go na lang sa swimming pool. Let's take a walk. So, ayan yung ano nila. I don't know if where is the pass for. Oh, look. Kung gagamitin yung pool niya. So, ayan yung pool niya. So, I need to contact first the gym. So, ayan. So, kung gagamitin ko yung pool. So, we're going to contact the... So, ayan yung gym room. Okay. So, ayan. Kailangan nating mag-ano dun sa gym room. But, since then, hindi pa naman ako magsuswim. It's 2 afternoon.